what do we got in front of us right here? I feel like you guys always bring a crazy show, and I feel like today's going to be no different.
That's the new Pilot RC Racing, the new 103. It's a perfect mixture of the Extra 330 and our MGV2, designed by Ryu.
Who's on the sticks? I think I recognize him.
You know that. The world famous pilot Ryu Sintuphrom.
Ryu Sintuphrom.
Yes, sir.
I'm pretty sure he flies it.
Let me just say hi to everyone.
Oh, yeah.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Tail Slide Pilot RC Show.
There we go.
That's right.
There we go.
This aircraft is powered by DA-120. All Pilot RC receiving. Solo. You got it. That's right. You gotta tell me.
You're right. I gotta help you out here. Harry and I are good friends, and we go way back. But he's really done a great job with Tail Slide and building a great team of young pilots and coming out with great products. You know, Ryu is just all over the interwebs, internet. You know, going viral every time for his crazy style. Relatively new pilot, you know, but he's absolutely taking the world by storm, especially, you know, he's been, the world, and, here we go, slow roll.
Nothing can do it better, look at that.
Beautifully centered. I like
heartbeat.
that. I like that heartbeat. That was nice. That's nice.
There we go. Ryu Sintuphrom. And this aircraft will be available on the website starting Monday for pre-order. It comes in two seats, the one you see here, and a black, white, and yellow version. And you know, all our series, all the Pilot RC schemes, probably one of the best around.
Oh yeah. I like that. It kind of has that like metallic blue finish, which is really cool, really distinctive. I like it.
That pay attention to detail.
Yeah.
You know, like color reviews and how we put it on the aircraft is just phenomenal. This is fine. So you guys can enjoy the show.
Ryu putting on a show for us. Let him hear it, guys. Oh, yeah. Remember, guys, these pilots, they go off of applause and cheers and loud. So the louder you get, the lower they go, you know? It's just how we work. It's peer pressure. We just can't help ourselves. So the louder you guys get, the lower he'll go.
And another thing with Pilot RC, if you find a plane that you like and you want a custom scheme, you send us a picture of it. We can make that happen for you.
So
any of our aircraft.
Really? So you can make a custom scheme.
Big one.
So I keep bringing back my wife, but if she wanted a pink and purple and yellow scheme, even though it doesn't look good, we'll say, you know what? Let's do it.
Let's do it.
That's cool. But I mean, these schemes are beautiful already. You have some great ones to choose from already, which is. World-class pilot. I mean, we are really lucky here at Joe Nall. We're just encaptured and enthralled by all these incredible pilots. I mean, these are the 1% of the 1%, you know, best pilots in the world that are competing at the biggest competitions in the world, such as, you know, Tucson Aerobatic Shootout, the EXFC, and among other things. And Ryu consistently scores at the top. You know, so this is a real treat to be watching him in his element doing what he does best here in the United States.
We all know we haven't been home for a month. Germany, Brazil, here.
World traveler to make sure that everybody gets their entertainment for RC. I love it. Oh yeah, let's give it up for
Give it up for
Pilot
Ryu
RC. What a treat, what a treat.